Compatibility. Memory foam tips for KZ ZS10, ZSN, AS10, ZSX, STARFIELD, FH7, FIIO, MOONDROP and more. Provides comfortable and secure in-ear fit. Doesn't interfere with charging. Superior sound experience. Product note. If the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ears. Ultra comfy. Custom fit for all-day comfort. Work all day, play all night with body heat activated, super soft memory foam that adapts and molds to your ear for a completely customized fit and hours of comfortable listening. Stays in place. Secure fit and no more lost earbuds. Engineered to be the perfect length and shape for optimal in-ear fit, these tips stay securely in your ear, whether you're pounding the pavement or grooving to the music. Big vibrant sound. Superior sound. Block exterior noise and enhance your bass, creating an exceptional audio experience whether you're concentrating on a call or cranking the tunes. Premium materials for a premium sound. The original memory foam earphone tip. Made in the USA using proprietary memory foam materials for the ultimate in-ear headphone upgrade. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing if slightly uncomfortable. They do what they do great and they fit well. One thing is they're uncomfortable at first. They've slowly become easier to use and my ears have grown accustomed to them though.